Welcome to another episode of AI Accelerators. My name is Sam, and today we have Namrata, a seasoned developer, passionate about technology, and an AI enthusiast. And today we are going to dive deep into nitty gritty details of implementing and leveraging RPA and AI to grow our businesses. Hey Namrata, welcome to our podcast.
Hello, Sam. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm also good. Thank you.
Okay, so let's begin with the first question that a lot of CEOs and people who are starting their businesses and
Mm-hmm.
they want to implement RPA have the first question that comes into their minds
Mm-hmm.
is what is the role of RPA or robotic process automation and artificial intelligence in growing their businesses? What benefit can they derive from implementing AI and RPA? Can you talk a little bit about this?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So see, in RPA and AI, there is lot of potential in these two technologies. So if you talk about RPA, then RPA automates the repetitive task, but with that, it also boosts your productivity of the organization and it provide efficiency in your work. Then it eliminates the error, so it provide accuracy on your data, and it improves the quality of your data and results. Then if we talk about RPA, then again it is a rule based process. So then it also enforces the consistent rules in the process, and then again it reduces the cost. So these are the several benefits of implementing RPA. When you talk about AI can operate on large set of data, and it reveals the hidden patterns from data and find the trends from the data. And you can also personalize your customer experience using AI. It also help you in decision making. It provide identifies the potential risk and the opportunity within your data. So, to automate the complex decision task, you can leverage AI into your business. And where you combine these two technologies, RP and AI, it will become intelligent automation where it enhances your business processes, and it also has the competitive advantages. So that's the role of RP and AI when you want to grow your business and improve your productivity and accuracy in your processes. You can leverage AI and RPA.
Welcome to the AI Accelerator podcast. Listen to the full episode by tapping the link in caption.